What's up, everyone? This is Ronnie. You know where we are today? We're in our picture staking studio. Now, we have a lot of requests and people asking what we do about pictures and how is our setup because we live in a small space. A lot of people have small spaces. So, I'm going to show you. This is our spare bedroom. I don't know the size 12 by 12, 12 by 14, 12 by prison room, probably. And this is where we keep most of our stuff. So, this is our picture wall, as you see right here. This is just a vinyl backdrop, little hanging hook thing here. That's it. And then we have our table. Consists of, I don't even know what that is. Some board that we've got somewhere and some stools. If you want music, got some music. Got your steamer. Over there we keep our little utensils for certain things, shoe polish and rubbing alcohols and stuff. Over here, want to watch a YouTube video, got the iPad thingy, and I don't know. I think the wife watched one too many movies. Copying over the what do you call that thing? The camera. I don't even know what she kept this for. We got this radio too. But anyway, just these light umbrellas. So we use another one here, two light umbrellas. There's the name. Look at it because I don't know. Extension cord, so on and so forth. And we use our little half mannequin right here. He's all dressed up, ready to go nowhere. Just a plastic mannequin on a hook. He probably should be replaced because he's a little flimsy. So that's really where we take our pictures. We just take Mr. Boy here and put Boy up. I don't got a name for him. Call him half a man, maybe, I guess. Then if you look around the other part of the room here, we have this thing. I don't know where my wife found this thing. It's just a little thing. She kept it here because occasionally we have company and occasionally all this stuff gets moved out to storage and then gets put back in. What a time suck. But where I keep some shoes. Keep this jacket. It's a barber jacket. It's a wax jacket. I don't want it running up on anything else and smelling like funky. I just had to wash this, so it's been sitting there. We process all our suits and put them in boxes. They're the numbers, and then we keep an inventory number so I know where they are. Some other stuff that we have listed on eBay. That's listed on eBay. That just found a home in here because got nowhere else to put it. This is where a lot of other stuff goes. It's like TV for testing electronics. You can see right here, this is kind of where I put and bag up all our shirts and stuff. So certain dress shirts will go in there. Anything Brooks Brothers goes in there. Peter Millar stuff now goes in golf. I ain't rewriting these things. Anything that's a casual shirt that doesn't fit in with like these certain brands. Like that bottom one says Harley Davidson, but I don't know. I put a bunch of Harley Davidson stuff in here. So as long as I know where it is, that's all that matters. Some hats. These things got to be thrown out. They're like shoe sizers that we got like a few years back. I tried selling them. They didn't sell. I forgot where I got them at, but it's been a while. These certain suits right here have been listed like 3+ years. I kid you not. No, 2 years. Some dog wheelchair wheels that we sell on eBay. I got from a wholesale. Pieces, camera. Some shoes kept over here. And we keep some more shoes over here. This is like a catch-all. A lot of things find their way in here. There's a closet here. Moving this light out of the way. This is where we keep all our jackets. Like winter jackets and stuff like that. So. And then get a shitload of hangers. Some of those should go. Polo bear sweater I found in the, comforter I found in the wild. Sometimes we use that one, sometimes we don't. But, show you the other room. Show you the other area. So here is the rest of them. This is our master bedroom. And as you can see, I put 2 shelves in here. And these are where the rest of the suits and sport coats hang out. can see right here, they all got inventory numbers. And we add these to the listing so we know where they are. These are all pretty recent, not really that old. Then we keep sweaters in a box on the bottom. Some more shoes that don't fit in the area they're in. That's the wife's shoes. She collects Converse. I think she has probably about 20 of them. I don't think she wears too many of them. But like some of these older ones right here, like these single digit ones, these have been listed forever. I think I may run an auction. I want more space. That's kind of it. That's my wife's little office area that never does anything. She used to be in our spare bedroom when we had the warehouse, but it got pushed into here. And poor thing doesn't have anywhere to play with her crafts or scrapbooking. So, then I'll show you the living room where we do our shipping and all that mumbo jumbo. So here we are in the living room, dining room area of the house. And you can see right here, I got my signs on the wall. Some of them are very big. This is like the Coca-Cola wall. See, it's a bunch of Coca-Cola trees and stuff like that. Some other things right there. Got some rum in case we need it. Just a random bunch of hodgepodge. That's where we keep our dry cleaner bags. We had this rolling thing. We got it somewhere and just put it right there. Shrink wrap. Stuff I got to get listed today. I got to take pictures of this stuff. Yeah, about 40 things right here. Got to get it done. And then this is kind of the office area. It's just a table. We had what do you want to call it? We had a desk, but the desk, because it was L-shaped, took up way too much space in the room. I have boxes in the car. I have to actually replenish our boxes. All our boxes go into here. And you can see I'm kind of running low. Keep most of the size of boxes down there. There's tax stuff over there. My little file cabinet. That's all steam tractor locomotive. No, I'm getting things all mixed up. A steam tractor headlamp. Pretty cool. Probably from the turn of the century. This whole picture, this is pretty cool. Has like Goodyear somewhere on here, or so on and so forth. Focus. I don't know. I got this at a estate somewhere. Framed it. Love it. It's where I keep our ties. See right here, they're all bagged up. Put them in this little thingy here. Tape and tape rollers and envelopes and all kinds of stuff. Tape measure. We don't use a clothes. I'm a man. I use a tape measure. Let me see here. Some signs. Another sign up there. Some books and stuff I use. This just becomes a catch-all of knickknacks and trinkets. Printer. Scale. Put envelopes on there. That box actually there, because all these other boxes are here. That box is a bunch of video games I have to list actually. Computer video games. But mostly when I'm doing my stuff, this is where I am. This is our desk. I got my little, I don't even know what you call that, a calendar? It's a calendar. My GoPro. I'm practicing making videos. Gonna make some more eventually here. Where we keep our money. Keep that separate. Don't need to see that. The iMac. Gotta love the iMac. Just some fake signs behind there and so on and so forth. But you can see where we keep our boxes and stuff. I don't know why I have that there. But I gotta fill this up. I have a bunch of more in the thing. And then these all have to be put away. I've just been behind the 8-ball. Even got some foam board for a sign. I gotta put in storage. But this is it. I mean, this is where most of the stuff happens, believe it or not. And you don't need to take up all the space, but it does take up some space. But see you guys later. Have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe, and talk to me about your space. We even got an old calendar over there. think that's from like 1923. That's eventually going to go on eBay, unfortunately. But see you guys later. Have a good day.